Hi guys, this is Sylvia. So on today's video, we're gonna go to the mines. As usual, in the first episode, as you saw, we found a mine. Okay, we found a mine down in our mines. Huh? We haven't really gone to it because it's pretty much a little too high for us. So we're gonna try and go there right now. So yeah. And today pala, ang kasama ko lang is Luke again. Say hi, Luke!
Hello, it's me again.
Yup, it's Luke again. So yeah, let's get to it!
Hey,
A few moments later.
Come here, let's go
it's
na.
time for the mines,
Yes.
boys.
Okay, now, so, yeah, after that long thing happening, yeah, it's about time we're gonna go down. What happened?
I covered
Why?
it up.
Why?
It's a secret,
No, it's not a
you know,
secret.
to hide it because accidentally, maybe.
How can you hide this? Oh my god. Okay. So why is there no torches here? Do you
I
want
don't know.
do you want us to die here?
No,
This looks like an abandoned. Okay, so this is
mine.
yeah, looks so abandoned
Careful.
right now. There you go. Some light.
Careful now. Water.
Yeah.
Up.
Oh,
Ooh.
gold. Yes. Yes.
Do we need her?
Oh, there's
No, you need iron. You need iron. You need iron.
yeah,
You need iron.
I know. If I remember,
Can I have some torches?
huh?
Give torches now.
Where
Torches.
should?
Me.
Okay. I'll
Look.
give you some.
Look, glow squid.
Huh?
Glow squid.
Okay. There you go. Torches.
Okay, look, glow squid. Look, glow squids.
Okay. Should we kill them?
Do we need them to glow our signs? Maybe.
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 Okay.
Let's kill them.
It's up to you. But should we go down? Because I know there's
Go
some.
down.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Go down.
Okay, we're
Go
gonna.
down. Water.
Okay. Wait.
Careful. I'm looking and scouting. Everything seems alright.
I died. Dumbly.
I know.
I didn't hold. Wait. Don't get my stuff, please. Oh, right. We don't have beds. Do you have a bed right with you?
No. Shoot, I'm being chopped up. I'm so dead.
Grab a bed.
No. There's a bed down the mine.
Yeah, it's only one though.
It can still be.
2,000 years later.
There you go. So, did you get some coal right now? Can we just... Okay, wait a moment.
Oh, here's the materials.
Can you...
Here's a pickaxe. Here's a sword. Here's a sword. Here's a bow. Here's a crossbow.
I already have a crossbow, just so you know. So this is probably your crossbow. Yep. Where's my shield? Where's my shield?
Where did you put it?
It was with you. You said you had it.
No, I said I had some of your stuff.
Flashback.
Here's your shield. Here's the.
End of flashback.
You
I
said.
just mean all of them.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, don't worry. Don't worry, I'll make you a new one.
I
Don't
want to
worry.
go down there.
Eventually.
Organizing. Here's a hoe.
No, I don't want any hoe.
You mean yourself?
No. I'm gonna go look around here.
Hello, I'm Luke. On the side, there's some carrots.
I'm gonna look
Go.
around.
Montage.
God. OMG. So many gold. Hey. I'm driving.
Good for you, I guess.
I'm driving. Yay.
Hmm.
So, and there you go. Iron. I need iron to get some gold and okay, lapis lazuli. I need.
Kiter.
I'm gonna take everything I see. Ha.
Copper.
There's only
Not
one iron
needed.
because there's only one iron. Okay. Uh,
No, I was mine. I'm mining iron, and I got one iron.
yeah. It's normal.
We need coal.
Wait lang. I'm gonna get some torches that I place.
We need coal.
No, I'm going to get the torches I place in the cave.
Okay.
Because we need it right now.
I mean, yeah.
It's here. Okay, there you go. I have lightened some parts of this. And I can get up now. I can go get up. I can go up now. Yay.
Okay, gold. A lot of that food. That's a lot.
Okay. Hmm. Now, since I got that, do we have a pickaxe? Or do we have a sword?
No.
You know what? I'm making a useless sword right now. A golden sword.
Okay. I'm going to fix the staircase. You know, our staircase right now. I'm going to fix it.
Okay. While you do that, I'm gonna go and kill some mobs right here. Down here. And it's fine even if I die. Because you know what? We need an iron pickaxe actually.
I have an iron pickaxe here.
Yeah, and so wait a moment. Okay, I died. Okay, can you give me an iron pickaxe right now?
Here you go.
Where are you? Come, give it to me. Where is it?
Oh, don't like him, don't like him.
That's a crossbow. Okay, and since break, broke, same thing.
Yeah. It's like how you're broken.
Oh wow. Wait, what do you need me to what do you need?
Wood.
Okay, wood. I mean, I'm already getting wood because we really need that. Oh, I thought you were a spider.
Yeah.
I thought you were a spider. I was about to hit you, girl.
We're fixing everything.
Wait, do you need wood planks or ano? Do you need
Maybe just wood. Wood in general.
here? I have like 32 wood of these wood planks.
Give me.
I was holding that. So I had it like all this.
A few moments later.
Diamonds! Anong diamonds? Oh my god! I found diamonds,
Good.
but I don't have a pickaxe, so nice.
I don't. Okay, do you remember the, iron pickaxe?
I find diamonds. Oh my god, yay! But anyway,
We have a problem.
I have a problem.
We have a problem.
Stop.
We have a problem.
Why are the zombies picking so many things up?
We have a problem.
What problem do you have? It's not
The
a
iron pickaxe broke.
Oh, don't worry. I was smelting iron.
Where's the iron?
Where do you
There's
smelt?
only two
Where do you smelt iron?
in a furnace.
What?
Yeah, like northern countries.
Yeah.
Western, no, not north, western.
Western.
Wrong place, sorry to all of you, sorry.
Cancel him, guys. JK. Okay, so where's the iron pickaxe? And why are you even using iron when you could have used
Get up, look.
what?
No, finally. I'm not finished, but yay, it's so fast. Oh my god.
You should probably fix the dirt one, like the dirt front, like you oh
Ow. Oh. What happening? Oh my god.
okay, I died.
Where's 32? Shoot. Run. Yes.
Oh my god.
And I'm sleeping. Can you kill him?
No,
No.
I'm at the spawn point. So this is where this comes in handy, guys. As you can see, I'm using our
What spawn point? Where's your shield? There we go. I need to defend myself.
I'm at the spawn
Give me a
point.
second.
I'm using the spawn point. Hey, as you can see, this is a spawn point. I might be sleeping here right now. Oh my god, look at what Luke did to this tree. Oh my god, look at this, guys. He did this. He's not trustworthy. I'm telling you guys. But anyway, I'm at the happy toll. Yay! Can you sleep right now? I might use.
Oh, sure, yeah.
All right. Ooh. Oh my god, we have some meat. Oh my god.
I gave a lot of food there. And
Yeah.
also materials.
Yeah, I know.
Sleep.
Oh no, this is my materials pala. This is my stuff, to be exact. Can you give me my stuff again, please? And can you give me
Oh, sorry.
and can you give me an iron pickaxe so I can get the diamond?
Okay, here's your iron pickaxe. This food. Sword. That yours, I guess.
Yeah.
You've been killing a lot. It's time to expand this thing.
Okay, go expand.
Montage.
T and his brother playing. His brother actually said his name. Well, it was supposed to be an prank, but unfortunately, the media took that by storm. They bombard his comments like saying, "Hey, name, I forgot his name. Like, hey, Technoblade's real name. Hey, how you doing? Wait, I know you. Like, you were down the street once, and that, blah, 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 blah. And hey, I didn't know that your real name was that. Hey, like that. So that's why we cut our videos with, our real names.
Yeah,
That thing
because
happens to a lot of people.
yeah, I
You're
hate
like
that.
Dream. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't want
Technoblade and
and others like as much as possible. I don't want any privacy getting out of this channel. But yeah, I will not be. I
Why is
will
it
not
black?
be letting
Why is it
anyone.
black? Shoot, why is it black?
I will be not letting anyone like know real names of our team or anyone here that's gonna be like joining like the video, because as much as possible I want them to have privacy and I want them to be safe, because once like someone
Yes.
do something like something wrong, I know well like people will try and dox them, and I don't want that to be happening in anyone here. As much as possible, as much as I can stop that from happening, I will do it, because whew, seeing what the internet can do and them being proud on doing that, I'm scared. Like so many people will be proud like doxing someone, especially if it's a YouTuber and they did something wrong. I know they did something wrong, but that doesn't give you the privacy, the permission to dox them. Like let's say wait, I forgot this one YouTuber who got really so much hate and got doxed. She was purple, like she was purple, like ano nga yun? Do you still remember that TikToker or YouTuber? I don't know. I think
I'm sorry, but no.
I think it was Jellybean.
I have good memory of social media, but I don't have the best.
Like I think her name was Jellybean or something like that. Her
Okay, yeah.
huh? I think
What?
his her
Shoot.
her YouTuber's name, no, his her social media name was like Jellybean, something like that. But she did so many things
Can
wrong.
you destroy this tree block?
Where even are you? What the hell? What the hi?
Stairs.
What stairs?
Can you destroy these 3 blocks here so we
Okay.
can get out here? I don't have a pickaxe, so that's the problem.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. And then
But yeah, she got so much hate and she even got doxxed because of that. And I don't think that was. I know she did so many things wrong, but doesn't give anyone the right to do that. She was so controversial, but then
Yeah.
she changed now. She's doing good, and I'm happy for her that everyone gave her a second chance. But I'm still mad that
Yeah.
docs because of that.
Yeah,
Initially,
no one deserves to be that dated. So
like her whole family
they need to be
was
done like that.
dogs. Her face was was seen like, oh my god. She was a faceless TikToker too. And they found her face and post it. There was so many things like that. That's why I'm scared of like saying any names.
No,
I can,
the minister is too slab here.
yeah, I can.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm not going to play. Ow!
But yeah. Anyway, I like these stairs. I've been going up and down here. But yeah, let's
Also, if you guys are wondering why
worry about it. But yeah. That's all we're gonna say. We are not that friendly. That we try to be like kid friendly, but it's our nature. So yeah. As much as possible, if we do swear, I'm gonna just like put like a noise on it, like a quacking noise, like
like a beep.
yeah, like a beep beep.
And most likely, I think yours is going to be our storage system.
Probably a storage system for like for like gold, mga ganyan lang na yeah.
Like ores. And a lot of blocks, most likely. A lot of blocks.
Yeah, like, yeah.
I'm going to put this coal in the furnace.
Okay, do that. I'm just fixing this up.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, that's all we're gonna say. But anyway, when are we going to like put like the house, like the safe house?
Oh, right, shoot the safe house.
Montage.
Do you put my torches down?
Mm. Take down the stone cutter right here.
There you go.
Stone cutter. Oh, sorry.
Why do you keep doing that? You have your crafting table ba?
No, I don't have any.
Okay, I can make one right now.
Okay.
You need stone, right? I have some.
Any kind of stone.
I have
Any
like
kind.
cobble display.
Oh, that's pretty good. Just give me some.
Here, that's just a few of them. There's so much here. I should
Thank you.
probably.
This is for
You stay there. Yell if you if something is attacking you.
killing me.
Yeah.
Help. 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 Help.
Don't.
Help. I need pickaxe.
Okay. Nope. You really need help.
Still, I need a thing.
Here's some sticks for now, but I'm gonna get some cobblestone. Any cobblestone can do, right? I think. Just 3 of
Yeah.
these, 3 of that.
From all the stuff. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm just adding more to you. There you go. Now you have a pickaxe. While you do that, I'm gonna look around and slay some, yeah. And probably,
Slay. Diba?
probably look around.
Can I keep the unbreaking hat?
Sure.
Yay.
I still want my experience back. I wanna kill you because of you have all my experience. Right now you have like 10.
Wait.
Do you have how many experience do you have?
Wait. Food here. Arrows. Let's see here. 4.
Oh, you have 4? I had like 10. Oh, sad. You didn't cut any of them.
Hmm. It's gold. There's gold. And iron. I think that's iron.
Yeah, it's iron.
Zombie behind you. Zombie behind you. 2 zombies. 2 zombies. 2
I
zombies.
can see them. I can see them. You're gonna get killed by them or not?
Pickaxe.
Oh, okay.
Pickaxe. Take this. There's a cave here.
There
Oh
you
my,
go.
this is actually pretty good. Okay, I'm back. There's iron. Yay. Let's get some iron.
There's a zombie
Yeah.
and a creeper, a zombie. Creeper zombie. Oh my god. You're being reckless right now. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment.
It's not iron. Sylvia, it's iron, not gold. No, sorry, it's gold, not iron.
Okay. I'm going to get some torches here.
Where's the coal? I'm looking around, there's no coal up here as well.
Okay. You just stay right there. You found something. Dun, 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 dun. Just die. Why do you guys keep coming here?
But there's no coal here.
Mm-hmm.
Sylvia, I'm lost.
Do you see my name?
Yes, iron, look.
Yeah, I'm going to
It's
get
not
it.
iron?
Yeah. It's no,
That's
it's
gold.
gold.
That's gold. It's gold. Sorry. Nom 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 nom. Get gold. Get golden, boy.
First we need torch, please. We need some torches.
Okay. Hello, zombie. Hello. Hello, slime. Hello, big slime. 2 slime. 2 big slimes.
There's coal
Okay
right
lang, huwag ka
here.
na mag-
You have coal? Why?
I have coal?
Yeah, 6 coal.
I have coal?
Yeah? Yes,
Okay.
you did. You did had coal.
I did not know. I think you got the wrong person now. I'm sorry, I think you got the wrong person.
What do you mean wrong person? Pero yeah, you have coal. Where's the you said you saw 2 big slimes, but I can only see one of them. I only killed one of them.
There's another one. Right?
Nope.
Hub.
So
Hello, everyone.
hi. So
We are dead.
no, we are not. So we're going to end this video here. I mean, it's been like a little too long now. It's been like 3 hours. But I know well it's more than that. But yeah, we're going to end this video here. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. That's all. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Luke.
Bye, bro.
Bye,
Goodbye to
guys.
everyone. A good day, night, or afternoon.
Yeah. Bye bye.
I guess.
Lang.
Bye-bye.